Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, welcome. My name is Ann, and if you're not, welcome back. What we do here is a lot of makeup related videos. We do makeup unboxings, makeup, just pretty much anything related to makeup. And today we're going to be doing another makeup unboxing. So finally, before we get started, I'm going to be doing the Ipsy Glam bag, regular bag, but it's $12 a month. You get 5 deluxe size samples. Sometimes they do a full size, something like a lipstick, a nail polish, sometimes an eyeliner, just something like that. Then they do have the Ipsy Plus. It is $25, 5 full size products, and then they have the Ipsy Glam Bag X. It's $50, 8 products every few months. I really like it so far, so I don't have nothing to complain about it. And you get a drawstring bag with a plus, and you get a little makeup bag with this one. But before I go on, I did finally hear about they never replied to, BoxyCharm never replied to my messages that I reached out to them, but they have finally shipped my package for the April premium box, so hopefully I get it soon. But we're gonna jump on into this. I hate like when you buy a box and it does not come. It's kind of like a little aggravating. Like, it's the first time I've ever had that happen to me, and normally like late would be like at the end of the month, not like at the end of the next month. But here is a bag for this month. It's cute, it's simple, it's like roses, or kind of looks like pineys to me, but very cute. Flowers, I love flowers. They kind of look like piney, kind of look like roses, they kind of look like pineys. I got them both growing outside, and it's like a rose gold. I love rose gold, one of my favorite colors for jewelry. Okay, so the theme is flower power. Let me see. The brightest blooms come after the storm, and now it's time to thrive. Go wild with color, flex your glowy skin. Know how and let your show-stopping beauty come alive. So it tells us about her stuff. We don't want to know that yet. And we love Mom's Mother's Day giveaway. These are cute little bags. I see them really fast. Them are cute. Okay. So, first product is Pexi Beauty. If I'm not mistaken, this is... it does not say. It is Piney Bloom. We're getting 0.04 flow ounce, which is 1 gram. It's good for 12 months. I do have some of these. I don't think I have this color. I do have the kind that it's a lip gloss, but most of mine is like more of like a lip plumper. We will try this. I'm not really crazy about the lipstick I got on. I used a like darker pink that I put some in the center, ended up just all over, and got a light pink, but we'll go with it. So let's swatch this. It is very pigment. Yeah, now the other ones I got is, I think I have some that's normal, but then I have some that's like the bone, like, yes, I can like smell the mint. Okay, so I know I'm gonna like this. It gives you just not like overpowering. It's gonna make your lips like really huge, but it will give it a little extra, and it tingles a little bit. Hey honey, come on. Boost it up, honey rich moisturizer, all day long lasting, nourish and hydrate. 15 milliliters, which is 0.5 flow ounces. It's like a pinkish tone. I don't know why. Let me scoot you guys back a little bit. I don't know why with this camera it does not focus that good. I don't know. I think it's kind of like with the lighting and stuff. I've had to change my lightings up. Some of my new equipment's supposed to be in today. Some of it is still like, I don't know. It's like packages. It's taking forever. It feels like really good. It smells like flowers. It's not greasy or anything like that. I do like the feel of it. I like the way it smells. It smells like roses or peonies. Okay. Pexi Beauty. I've never tried anything by them. This is their Smooth Plus Blur Primer Translucent. We're getting 0.33 flow ounces, which is 10 milliliters. Kind of reminds me of the Pexi by Petra stuff. When you get samples, like, it'll come in a little tube like this. Well, if I can get a hold of it. Nope, it broke. Well, like, the little long piece just fell right off. Okay, got it. So this is like my third primer. Oh, it's clear. I did not imagine that. Right here it is. It is clear. So it is supposed to smooth and blur everything out. On your hand, you should be able to tell because we all have like little lines and pores in our hand. I don't know. I think it looks good. Look at that. Look, I've been out in the sun a lot. My freckles are popping out. Okay, so the way it looks on my hand, I really like it. It's got a little bit of a smell to it, nothing like, but that flower from that moisturizer, I can smell it really good. Okay, so I like that. Hopefully it works. I'm all about something to get rid of all, like right in here, not this side. This side of my face, I've got little pores, and of course my nose, and hopefully it works. Okay, next product is by Goldfaden Md. Come on. Let me see if I... See, that won't. That's too much light. Okay. So this is their Solution Pure Start Gentle Detoxifying Facial Cleanser. Wheat protein, botanic cleansing agent, grapefruit, peel oil. It's a daily multitasking advanced cleanser that dissolves impurities, removing dead skin. I think I had some of this. I really like the Goldfaden Md stuff. I've never had a trouble. Oh, I don't think I've had this. It's clear. The ones I had is all gritty. Or is it just like, nope, it's all clear. So that is, it is very soapy. Let me plot that off. Okay, so I like that. Next product is the AM/PM Lottie London liner. I have had this. It works really good. Oh, no, I have not. I've had the liquid liner, and let me see. Right here it is. It's just black. But I had the liquid, and it done really good, so I have high hopes for that. Okay, so we paid $12 for this box. I believe the liner, not that. The liner could be full size. It is, and it is retailed for $5.95. The Pexi Beauty Lip Lift Max in Piney Bloom is for $14 for the full size. I take a minute break. FedEx was here. Okay, so the this, if you get the full size, it is $14, but the full size version is 0.09 flow ounces, and we did get 0.4, so look, we got about half, little under half. Okay, so for the Goldfaden Md Pure Start Detoxifying Facial. The full size is 150 milliliters. This is way off. It is retailed for $38. The Hey Honey Boosted Up Honey Rich Moisturizer is the full size version is 50 milliliters and it is valued at $52. And so this is actually full size. It is the Basic Beauty translucent primer. It is retailed for $16. So we actually did get like 2 full-size products in here. This to be $16 for a full-size product, that looks like a sample size to me, but they say it is full. So you know, with these being valued for full size, we got our money worth. And then, you know, little extra, I can really feel the tingling in my lips now. I think the bag was really cute. Here's the inside. It's got the little Ipsy logo. It is pink, so I do like that. And I guess that is it. I hope you guys did enjoy this unboxing. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you guys would like to try Ipsy for yourself, I will leave the link down below in the description box. And I guess that is it. And I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.